start. So you can see the deduction started now. This is called HPLC peak.
This
HPLC peak. So this is my standard only pure butadienide, and I dissolved in ethanol. You can dissolve in methanol or ethanol. So you can see this is called sharp peak. If column is broken, this will be something like this, but it is very sharp peak. Later I will show you in the result part. So this means your column, your drug, if you have two drugs or impurities, there should be some peaks. It means the drug is pure. There's no impurities. There's nothing. So you can say only this drug gave peak. And most drugs are peak, but they have, if you read literature, butadienide actually have two peaks. It's rhizomers or enantiomers. What is the chemistry? This way, this telling is because of that peak. So this is this way, because I know it gave peak 3.5. So running time I put 5 minutes because I don't need to waste solvent system. Even 4.5 is working, but I put 5 minutes. After this, there will be no peak.
So you can I ask a question? So you mean that if we don't know the peak before, so we have to wait.
You need to optimize first. You can give 10 minutes, so then you find, oh, my peak is here. Then reduce time. No need to waste solvent. So this sample is finished, but if I use multi-sample, it will automatically start new sample. So this is my standard, and standard you need 5-6 standard, like from maximum, like this was 0.125, then like for 0.031 micro or 15 microgram, this will be your standard. 0.062, 0.031, 0.015. So from this standard we say we will get standard curve then in Excel. Okay.
So you mean this is the concentration?
So this one you will do 5 or 7 dilution of pure drug, whatever is your drug. And then your sample, for example, your tablet, your capsules, whatever your nanoparticles, where is your drug is loaded, then you will take your like drug inspector, they check the stores or whatever, how much is you, for example, in tablet quantity is given 500 milligram, and you want to make sure is it really 500 milligram, then this is the exactly method. First do standard, then take tablet, and then dissolve or crush it, and then and your solvent system check it, and then through Excel you can from this you can deduct how much drug is present really in this tabular archive. So this is the method actually. So now I want to see the result. Post run, but the result will take time. Then this folder, because I know my folder, there's many folder. Suppose this was another standard, but this was, for example, same sample from another group. So I click it, this is wizard, and then this different peak. So this was our peak. You can see it start from 3.5. Okay, and this one you can remove. But another point, you want to see an HPLC, we check area, and UV we can check absorption. So 3.5 area is 52,99098. So in Excel 0.125, and the area is like 5.2, and this. Similarly for 0.062, it will become half dilute. Half of this dilution is called dilution, 10 time dilution. So the area will become like 25, and similarly from this dilution you can get peak. So then when I found the peak is good, it's working, then you can go whatever your sample, like 100, 200. So this is the method.
We can go from other
here
multi
data
acquisition.
The batch processing. That was single, but here is called batch processing. So batch, the old one you will delete it or clear, delete row, and then you will click wizard. See wizard, and then whatever your method is okay. How much microliter standard you use 20, so here you will also use 20. And then next, and then there's two methods, standard and unknown, but usually we use unknown method. Next, and then your sample name, your sample ID, the folder, and number of how many sample. For example, you're using 100 samples, and here you will click folder, and then you will click next. It will for example, I just choose this one, and then again you will choose sample, but then just give any sample name, open, and then next, and then finish. Finish, then click page start. But I don't want to start because this is empty. So finally they will come, and similarly then you will go to post run and check the result. Last time this kind of 100 sample will comes, and then you can, anyway there is some other system how to evaluate your result.
So now I have one question about concentration. Here concentration 1, 2, 3. So now you are already put the samples. You make the concentration already around 20. So as this, they make the concentration automatically, or we have to?
No, you are numbering. You should know. Anyway,
so you mean each time we cannot check at one time different concentration? They don't arrange. We have to put the concentration.
No. This is then very advanced method. You can click concentration 1 is 125 and concentration 5. In the standard you can put it. Then the remaining sample they can give automatically the result also. But this system is a little advanced, and honestly I don't know this method. And then go to the data acquisition. So this one, anyway, when you finish, so whenever you finish your experiment, then don't stop directly, leave it running like 30 minutes, so the drug or polymer and the column, whatever, it should be washed. But if you use buffer system, because buffer is not soluble in organic solvent, then you need to wash with water, distilled water only. For the most column is break because of buffer. The salts precipitated if you don't wash on same time. So this way we have water, many different things. So after use, just leave for 10-30 minutes, and
so they will automatically
wash. And then do not turn off directly to use. First you need to turn off pump. You can see pump, and also then put pressure. See, the pressure is decreasing. Just wait until it becomes, and you can also see here 0. And then just file and exit, and okay, it will no, I don't want to save this data, so it will make sound, so it means perfect. And then just turn off. Okay.
Thank you very much. And hope you understand.
See you in next video.
See you in next video.